What's going on, everyone? 2019 version of Emeroy right now, editing some previous clips from 2018 that I'm trying to catch up on. If you guys start implementing it, I think you're gonna definitely see a huge difference in how you interact and how your relationships are built, both in the professional and the personal realm. So enjoy today's clip. You never know what life is gonna throw at you, and because how many movies have we seen of the people being jerks to people that are less than, and then they get it themselves. And I think it's a funny way of life, or the universe, or whoever you believe is showing it's time for you to walk in their shoes. And instead of having to go through the tragedy of having to actually walk through their shoes, try to actually imagine what it's like. What is this person going through on their day to day? What do they feel like on their day to day? Okay, my friend was a little bit more, I don't know, snappy today. Okay, instead of taking that moment for what it is, put it into some context. Maybe they just had a rough morning. Okay, put it into context, because it's easy to put it into our perspective and point the finger at them. Creating a space of empathy allows us to connect with each other in a way that normally wouldn't, because most people are just listening to reply instead of listening to listen and understand. So, and then empathy creates that trust and love and makes people feel so much more safe, and they feel understood. And a lot of people don't feel understood. They hear they're understood, but are they really? And for you to be that stand of empathy and love, I think will create such a safe space for them that will help continue fulfilling them, despite things being despite crappy circumstances. So, empathy.